Welcome to this tutorial on installing OpenCV in Visual Studio Code. OpenCV is a powerful library for computer vision tasks, and integrating it with VS Code can enhance your development experience significantly. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system, as OpenCV is a Python library. You can download Python from its official website and follow the installation instructions provided there. Next, open Visual Studio Code and install the Python extension. This extension provides rich support for Python development, including features like IntelliSense, linting, and debugging, which are essential for working with OpenCV. Once the Python extension is installed, open a new terminal in VS Code. You can do this by navigating to the Terminal menu and selecting New Terminal from the drop-down options. In the terminal, type the command pip install OpenCV Python and press Enter. This command will download and install the OpenCV library, making it available for use in your Python projects. After installation, verify that OpenCV is correctly installed by creating a new Python file. Write a simple script to import OpenCV and print its version to ensure everything is set up properly. If you encounter any issues during installation, check the terminal for error messages. Common issues include missing dependencies or incorrect Python paths, which can often be resolved by reinstalling or updating packages.